For today's ornament, I'm going to make a USPS ornament for my mail carrier. And I was going to get her reaction, but 2 days in a row I didn't get mail. What are the chances? Anyway, so first I used the polyacrylic and I just put it in there, kind of swish it around, and then I'll let it drain out back into the bottle. And then I'll add in some silver glitter and shake her up. So I found a USPS symbol on my new favorite website, New Modi. You should check it out. They have a lot of cool symbols and SVGs and whatnot. So then I just put that straight into my Cricut design space, and everything's been done for me, so I don't have to erase anything. It's pretty nice. First, I'm going to adjust the size down to about 2.5 or 3 by 2.5, and then I'm not going to cut out the white part. I'm just going to do the blue and red because I want the white part to actually be silver. So now I'll click the eye to hide all the layers that aren't the red line. And then I like to move it up into the corner so I don't use a whole lot of vinyl. Now I'm just going to weed out the blue parts of the symbol. This was actually pretty simple. I just take it slow because it's weird around like the bird beak and stuff, but you know, just take your time when you're doing this. I hate weeding out letters, it's annoying, but in this case it was worth it. And I learned a trick to just kind of go slow and use my weeding tool to hold down the letter. That seems to go a lot better. And then also have tweezers handy, that really helps. And if it's too small, you can always use a needle. I'm going to use my transfer tape to transfer the symbol over to the ornament. This is kind of a tricky shape, so I don't completely smooth it down while the transfer tape is on. I kind of just get it on there and then I readjust it. Basically, you just work with it until it's nice and smooth. You can unpeel it and then repeel it and just, until it works. As I'm putting it down, I use my scraper to get out any weird bumps or air bubbles. Now to put on the letters. It's a little too big for this ornament, but you can still tell from the front what it says, so it's all good. I'm going to keep it, but I would probably make it smaller next time, just because it was really big, but the smaller you make it, the harder it is to weed out, so I don't know. I think it's all good. I'm just going to put Mod Podge over it real quick just to help it stay, hopefully for a long time.